Ever wondered which AI video generator reigns supreme in 2024? In a world where artificial intelligence is revolutionizing content creation, finding the best tool can be a game changer for your projects. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts, to another episode of Better Off Guide. Today, we dive deep into the realm of AI video generators, comparing the top contenders, InVideo AI, FlexClip, and Synthesia. But before we unveil the ultimate winner, let's unravel the mysteries behind these cutting-edge platforms. Greetings, viewers, and welcome to Better Off Guide, your go-to channel for navigating the digital landscape. If you're ready to supercharge your video creation process, you're in the right place. But first things first, don't forget to check the links in the description below to try out InVideo AI, FlexClip, and Synthesia for yourself. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this opportunity to harness the power of AI for your projects. Now let's delve into the heart of the matter. InVideo AI boasts a user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, perfect for content creators of all skill levels. But does it offer the depth and customization needed for professional projects? Now let's take a closer look at each contender, starting with InVideo AI. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, InVideo makes video creation a breeze for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. From captivating animations to dynamic text overlays, the possibilities are endless. But does its simplicity come at the cost of advanced features? As we explore InVideo's extensive library of stock footage and customizable templates, it's clear that convenience is its forte. But can it keep up with the demands of complex editing tasks and intricate visual effects? Next up, we have FlexClip, a versatile powerhouse in the world of AI video generation. With seamless integration across platforms and devices, FlexClip empowers creators to bring their visions to life with ease. But does its flexibility compromise on quality and precision? FlexClip prides itself on versatility and convenience, with seamless integration of multimedia elements. Yet, can it match the advanced features of its competitors? From storyboard creation to real-time collaboration, FlexClip offers a streamlined workflow for content teams and solo creators alike. But does its simplicity limit the depth of customization and artistic expression? From storyboard creation to real-time collaboration, FlexClip offers a streamlined workflow for content teams and solo creators alike. But does its simplicity limit the depth of customization and artistic expression? And then there's Synthesia, the wildcard in the race for AI supremacy. With its groundbreaking avatar technology, Synthesia promises a new era of personalized video communication. But does its innovation overshadow practicality and user experience? Synthesia takes a bold leap into the future with its AI-driven avatars promising to revolutionize video communication. But does its innovation translate into practicality and effectiveness? Through rigorous testing and expert insights, we've uncovered the strengths and weaknesses of each platform. From intuitive editing tools to AI-powered voiceovers, these generators push the boundaries of what's possible in content creation. From pricing plans to customer support, every aspect is scrutinized to determine the ultimate winner. So, after thorough evaluation and analysis, which AI video generator reigns supreme in 2024? The answer lies in the intersection of innovation, usability, and effectiveness. But before we unveil the champion, I want to extend a special invitation to all our viewers. Dive deeper into the world of AI video generation by trying out InVideo AI, FlexClip, and Synthesia. The links are waiting for you in the description below. So, which AI video generator emerges victorious in 2024? The answer may surprise you. But before we reveal the champion, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow creators. Your support fuels our journey to uncover the latest in tech and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for, the best AI video generator of 2024 is InVideo AI. InVideo AI is a combination of factors that depends on your unique needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize ease of use, versatility, or innovation, there's a perfect fit waiting for you in the world of AI video generation. It's worth noting that InVideo AI offers an additional advantage, an app version designed for mobile devices. This flexibility allows creators to unleash their creativity anytime, anywhere, directly from their smartphones or tablets. It's a significant plus for those who value accessibility and convenience in their workflow. With the InVideo AI mobile app, the power of video creation is literally at your fingertips. Whether you're on the go or prefer the convenience of mobile editing, InVideo has you covered. From quick social media posts to polished presentations, the possibilities are limitless. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the realm of AI video generators. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow creators. Together, we're shaping the future of digital content creation. From all of us here at Better Off Guide, we encourage you to keep innovating, exploring, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Happy creating!